Welcome back to the Boosted Bunny YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be working on the Ducati V4. So we are trying to get this bike ready for the motorcycle season, ready for the track season, and I bought a number of parts, and I've really just been procrastinating trying to install some of these. So today, we're going to do something pretty easy. It's actually going to be a swing arm cover. There's a couple options that you have out there, so I'm going to unbox it for you, go over why I chose the one that I did. It's a Fullsix, by the way. Why I chose that one, gonna install it, and we'll take a look, see what you guys think after I get it on there.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Let's see if I can get this all on camera. I apologize for the bad lighting. My light source actually just went out. I guess I forgot to charge it before this video. But this is a Fullsix swing arm covers, the carbon fiber. There are a number of different swing arm covers. The reason I went with this one, it has a chain guard. The Ducati version does not. The other reason is this covers the entire swing arm, so it looks more uniform. The Ducati version does not. It does have a replaceable puck, so I was looking for one with a replaceable puck, just like the Ducati version, and I wanted one in a satin finish. So sometimes you can find gloss, you can find matte, but not satin, which is closer to the OEM Ducati carbon fiber. I also wanted one that you didn't have to glue down, so not to call other brands, but something like the, I think, Vivo one. That one is a great one, high quality, but you kind of have to glue it down. So this one, if you look on this side, it comes with, obviously, the bolts that you can screw in. So this is going to be a simple replacement, but also hooks on the bottom side of the swing arm here. So it's going to stay on there fairly tight. There's no gluing required. So I don't even have to, like, remove this. I can keep that on there. Oh, you guys can't see it, but that's just all the chain information, since this is going to cover it up anyway. And it should stay on pretty tight in the event of a low side, and I should be able to replace this puck if this gets damaged. So we're going to see how this looks. We'll take a look at the bike. As you can see already, I have some carbon fiber on here. If you see my other videos, you know that I switched to a carbon fiber heel guard, as well as a carbon fiber rear hugger. Now these are also satin finish, also in the OEM carbon pattern. So again, just been waiting to install this up. We're going to clean the swing arm a little bit because we're going to cover it up, and then we'll get started.
Go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't want to be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.
The only three tools we're going to need for the job are some blue Loctite, a 5mm Allen wrench, and a 3mm Allen wrench for the two bolts that we're going to use to attach this. We're going to start by taking off the heel guard to give us a little more room to work. So I actually just loosened this up. This should actually give us enough room, so I'm not even going to take it off all the way. Next, there's a bolt down here right underneath the chain that we're going to take off. We're going to use our 5mm Allen wrench there. All right, let's see how loose this is. Might have to loosen up this bolt too. Give me some more room. Okay, that should be enough. Now we're going to move on to this bolt that's right back here. It is worth noting that that last bolt, this one is red Loctited. In fact, I think all of these, because of the vibration, are red Loctited. So I showed you blue Loctite. We're actually going to use red Loctite. So now let's go ahead and try to fit this in. I'm going to start by, this is cool. There's a little padding piece here to provide some protection. You can probably see that a little bit. It's actually in there. There's no other padding around here. So we're going to see like what goes over, what goes under as we try to fit this in. And then I can let you guys know. Look, this does stretch or flex. It doesn't stretch. Flexes. So it's pretty easy. Take it on. See the bottom's on. We'll move that up. And let's see. So it looks like this is going to go under. So we'll try that first. Yep. So that's going to go under. That just kind of sits in there, locks in, and it looks like this piece is going to go under as well. We'll try that. Yep. So, all right. So there are 2 tabs here, and I'll try to get a closer look for you guys. So if you look here, this top tab is going to go under the hugger, and down in there, you can't even see it. See it? That's the bolt I took out. That actually goes under. There's a piece there that goes under. Sorry, that looks like a super clean look. And now we just tighten it back up. So like I mentioned, all of the bolts actually use red Loctite. So we're going to put just a dab of red Loctite on these and put them back in. Just make sure you go in reverse order. And she is done. Everything is back. Don't forget to tighten up these 2 bolts right here. I almost forgot those on the heel guard. Remember, I loosened those up. So let me know what you think. Let's try to get a closer look at the carbon weave. You can definitely check out my other videos, see where I got the carbon. This is the only Fullsix carbon piece that I have. But overall, again, this lighting is terrible. But I like the look of the carbon fiber. Again, this is more for protection for track days. There's a few more things that I have to do to this bike to get ready for this upcoming track season. So definitely, if you like this video, consider subscribing. Check out my other videos. Stay tuned for a couple more parts that I'm going to have installed on this. I'll see you guys next time.